So here, just we are creating Maven. Look at Maven. So where is Maven? Maven project. Yes. Next. So show the last version of archetype only. Then web app. See, only last, just only one I wanted. Yes, I did. Next. You can try to write group ID. It means the project name, project ID, unique ID. Entire this project having only one ID, madam. That comes under group ID. Clear? Now, group ID. Then what I can try to give? Com dot switch ID. Artifact ID. What is artifact ID? You can give application name here. You can try to give application name. So I'm giving first web I did. Now I'll do second web. Got it? Right. Second web application. So we are trying to designing static application, madam. I'm not doing anything great here. Finish. Right. ఇప్పుడు వై వస్తుడమ్మా అర్థమైందా క్లియర్ now why yes package connect group id confirm properties configuration group id so and so artifact id so and so the version is so this version package is so and so version yes is true let's move it అయిపోయింది that's it only first time it takes time second time onwards it make a fast are you clear yes next second web is ready now let me try to yes and observe that the resources right we don't have any main method guys now I'm trying to creating one main in the right click on the main method create one folder what is the folder name we required Java because servlet classes or any Java classes we can try to write here next web app inside the web app folder we can write HTML files yes you can try to write HTML files then I'm writing one HTML file like this good like this you can write give any name index.html finish right body h1 right welcome to web application so welcome to the web application h1 tag like this welcome to web application now here control space then what is the next one style so just I want to give some color what is the color you want you can try to provide red done so just like welcome to web application that's it sir nothing is there if you want anything you can try to write it sir that's your wish now I want to run my application and once you design the application let's try to add the server right click on this properties target runtime sir target yes targeted runtime so where you want to see reply I want to see reply server like this apply and close done so once we add then now we can start deploy the application run as run on server done madam that's it beautiful welcome to web application okay I'm coming to that now I have a small question can you tell me what it means by standalone application standalone application means that application runs on a particular system. We can try to call standalone application. Are you clear? Application is running on the particular system, the specific system. We can try to call standalone application. Are you clear? Now, What it means by web application? Now my next question. First of all, before going to talk about servlets, first understand what is web application. Yeah. So web application is collection of the web resources, collection of the web resources, It may be, you can get one doubt. What is the resource, Shiva? It may be HTML, servlet, or JSP, or CSS, what is the CSS styles, then .js. Combination of all these resources we can try to call as a web application. Application runs on a web. Collection of the web resources. It may be HTML, servlet, JSP, and like this. And application runs on a web. Application runs on a web through the internet. It meaning is runs on a web. It's called as web application. Are you clear, everyone, please? Yes. So what is the directory structure of web application? What is the directory structure? Root directory. I'm going to basic concept, guys. Create one directory name is called root directory. So I can try to say Shiva the web. Right? Shiva web like this. Right? The Shiva underscore web. Collection of the web resources. It may be HTML, servlets, and JSP. Application runs on a web. Application runs on a web. Okay. Now create one root directory. I created one application name is called first web application or Shiva web. Shiva is one application name. So inside this application, then classes. What are the classes folder? Classes folder containing a .class file. Next, lib folder. .jar files. If you add any jars, then it will be there in the lib folder. Next, weba-env. What is this? Weba-env. Inside the weba-env, yes, we can try to write the web.xml, guys. So web.xml, it acts as a deployment descriptor. So weba-env is a one private directory. This directory we can't access directly, madam, directly. So in web.xml, what exactly is containing? Configuration details. In web.xml, configuration details. Are you clear, everyone? Guys, is it clear? In web.xml, yes, we can try to write a configuration details. Next, so classes it containing .class files. The lib folder it containing lib folder .lib folder lib file lib directory. Yes, it containing lib files. The classes folder it contains a .class file. Lib folder representing .jar files. Next, web.xml what exactly containing? Configuration details. For example, servlet, JSP. These files information it containing, sir. Note down. Yeah. Next one. See, this is what in the root directory we're having folders like classes folder, lib folder, in web-env. Are you clear now? So this is called a root directory. Inside the root directory, yes, you can try to specify HTML file, HTML, CSS, and even JSP files. Now, even .js JavaScript files. All these files, yes, we can try to keep inside the root directory. All these files, yes, we can try to keep in the root directory. Right. Root directory, classes, and lib folder. The classes .class file, lib folder .jar file in web-env in web.xml, and web.xml is representing configuration details. Like example, servlets and JSP. That's it, sir. Nothing is there. So then in this root directory, src source file, yes. The .src folder, what exactly is containing? Classes, servlet classes here, servlet Java classes, .java files. Maybe it's a servlet only. Definitely web application, nothing but servlet. Then .java files. That's what I given one word, .java. So this is called as web application, madam. If you are using Maven, what is the use of Maven? The jar files can add, if you are designing this application, the .jar files you should be add explicitly. For example, if you are working with MySQL database, if you are working with MySQL database, the jars we should be add explicitly. Other than .jar files, yes, we can try to add to lib folder. Are you understand? Next. .jar files, yes, we can try to add to lib.jar files, yes, we can try to add to lib folder. .jar files we can add to lib folder. Yes, perfect, Shiva. What about next one? So for example, if you are working with the Maven application, Maven project, the Maven is a build tool. Maven having a great capability, madam, is a build tool. So build tool, if you want to download the jar file, just you can try to add the dependencies. If you be download the jars from online, I'll tell you that. The structure I'll explain later. Yes. Are you understand now application? Once you design this application, yes, we can try to deploy inside the container. Assume that this is my web server, like my Tomcat. This is my Tomcat. So once you design this application, yes, we can deploy inside the container. Are you clear, everyone? Yes or no? Once we deploy the application, once we design the application can be deployed inside the server. Are you clear, everyone? Yes. Then application will be run. This is what is going to be work, sir. So creating a root directory. Inside the root directory, we're having a classes and lib folder. The lib folder having a jar files. So the third party jars, like if you want to connect with database software, we require MySQL jar. Then, for example, if you are working with the PDF files or POC PDF files, we require iText jar files. Then if you are working with Excel, POI, yes, we require the POI jar files like this, madam. Are you understanding, everyone, please? Third party, the jars we can try to add if you are using those application in your application development. Nothing else that perfect. Now, I hope you understand what is the application and everything. Perfect, Shiva. Let's try to move it. So how to design this application, Shiva? I have a